Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to connect to a data source and create a basic visualization. Tableau allows you to connect to a variety of data sources from Excel files to databases. In this video I'm going to be connecting to an Excel file. So here on the left where it says connection to a file, I'm going to click on Excel. I then get the option to browse to where the data is. I've got a folder on my desktop called Excel Data Sources. I'm going to click on that, and then from there I'm going to select the file I want. So this is the file I want called sample data. I'm going to double click on it. As you can see, Tableau has created a connection to the Excel file. So if we look on the left here, we've got the actual name of the Excel file, which is called sample data. Here we have sheet 1, which is the worksheet that contains the actual data we have connected to. And in the bottom here, we can see a summary of the data that I have connected to. Now that I have the data inside Tableau, I can click on the bottom here where it says sheet 1. So I'm going to create a quick visualization from the data. You can see here inside the sheet area, there is an area to drop the field. So let's say I want to create a visualization based on different fields in the data table. For example, here I've got employee by job title, so I can drag that and drop that here. I'm going to drag on another field, for example, order total, which is the value of the orders. I'm going to drag that and drop that into this data area. Tableau has different visualization objects. On the right here where we have show me, you can represent your data in your sheet with different types of visuals. For example, I can click on this and that will represent it in that type of visualization. I can go here, that will give me a different type. I can click on this one here, give me a different visualization. I can click on that. So you can represent your data in any way. I can click on this option here, and that gives me a different representation of the data visually. As you can see here, we've been able to create a very quick visualization based on the data we have connected to. So the visualization here shows sales that has been broken down by value and also by the job title. Connecting to a file as a data source on your computer is pretty straightforward. You can also connect to a Microsoft SQL Server or other database systems. In that case, you will need to provide credentials that will enable you to connect to those data sources.